Economics is everywhere. Learn to look. Circular flow and measurement of national income. Before we go to the measurement of national income, we need to understand the flows of money and goods and services in a modern exchange economy. In a simple two-sector economy, circular flow of income depicts the back and forth flows of money and goods and services between households and firms in a loop. Households are considered to be both owners of factors of production and consumers, buyers of goods. Similarly, firms are considered to be both producers of goods and buyers of factors of production. Goods and services flow from firms to households, who buy them to satisfy their wants. In the same way, factor services of land, labor, capital and enterprise flow from households to firms, which require them for production. These are called real flows. Factor incomes, rent, wages, interest and profit, flow from firms to households as reward for their factor services. Similarly, when households spend their incomes on purchase of goods and services, money flows back to the firms as consumption expenditure of households. These are money flows. Together, the real flow and the money flow represent the circular flow of income. It gives us all major exchanges between the economic agents. When national income is calculated in the generation phase, where firms produce goods and services, the method used is value-added method. The income method measures national income from the perspective of factor incomes in the distribution phase, where factor incomes flow from firms to households. And finally, in the disposition phase, the incomes received by factors of production are spent on goods and services produced by the firms. The expenditure method measures national income as sum total of final expenditures. So now we know, in the circular flow of income, production generates factor incomes, which is converted into expenditure. This makes the flow of income circular. Look out for the next video on calculation of national income by the value-added, income and expenditure methods.